Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing I'm doing another anime or manga character. This time this request was sent in by Carolyn Jimenez. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This was it was on the YouTube channel comments on one of my previous manga or anime pictures that I did. So thanks very much for this. You wanted me to do Lucy from Fairy Tale, so I found a couple of images on the internet, and I thought I'd give this one a go. Really fun character to draw, lots of detail. My other couple of animes that I've done have been mainly the faces, so this was really good to do the body and the proportions, get everything right. Really fun character. As always, I started off freehanding this with a pencil and going over it with my Faber-Castell outliner. And then I'm using the Copic markers. I used a it was a canary yellow for the hair, and I went over the darker areas with a golden yellow. For the skin tone, I used a flesh pink, which is in the face and the arm area. And for the blue, I used it was a Persian blue. Which I used. I found this was the right tone. It's quite dark. Obviously, this outfit that Lucy's wearing is quite a dark blue. I went over some of the darker areas with a grey, so I used my cool greys 3, 5, and 7. Really fun drawing to have a go at. I like the composition, the way that she was standing. For the lighter areas in the eye and a little bit on the shirt, I used a Pentel. It was called a Pentel Signo Broad, and it's almost like a Tipex, and it just brings out the highlights. I like to do that on the eyes, whatever sort of characters that I'm drawing. As you can see, I've done a comic strip background as well, so the comic board sort of picture frame in the background, which just makes the character look like she's standing out of the page a little bit more. In total, this took me about 3 hours to draw from start to finish. Really enjoyed it. So thank you so much, Carolyn Jimenez, for the request. If there's anybody else you'd like me to draw, send me some ideas. Like I've said in previous videos, I'm not an expert on anime or manga by any stretch of the imagination, but I am enjoying a new challenge and looking at new characters and new ways of drawing. So I appreciate everything so far, all your comments and shares. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. You can get those all in the links in the descriptions down below. And we're almost at the end. So thanks once again for liking, commenting, sharing. It makes a huge difference to my channel. Really enjoying doing it, and I'll look forward to your requests, and I'll hopefully get doing some more in the next couple of videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.